This is the Liquitex Basics Acrylic Titanium White Paint. I love this stuff because for quite a large bottle, you get quite a bit and it's relatively affordable and it's a high quality paint. This one is a medium viscosity paint, which is nice because while it does cover a lot, it isn't completely thick, pasty white paint. So you can get quite a bit out of your coverage without being totally completely full coverage. I like to use this a lot for dotting little white dots in my mixed media art. And a lot of times I'll even mix this with other things just to try to lighten other pigments and things that I'm using in my work. This is a great basic acrylic white to keep in your stash just for anything that might come up that you might want to use an acrylic white paint for. I highly recommend it, and I don't think that you'll be disappointed.